guys, hope you're all well. I'm just going to do a comparison video of the May Glossy Box and Birch Box, so you can see the difference in the boxes this month. Okay, so this is the Daydreamer edition Glossy Box. I think it's something to do with an anniversary box. That's why it's in a different box to what they usually come in. And this is, oops, sneak peek. This is Birch Box. Okay, so this is how the Glossy Box comes with a nice ribbon. And then this is our doodad. It's beautifully packaged. Okay, so the first thing we've got is the We Are Tea Earl Grey tea. That's our first item. Second item is the Double Effect Makeup Remover. It's the facial makeup remover. Yeah, makeup remover. So this retails at £10.50. So we have a shampoo and conditioner. These are cruelty-free products. And these are, again, they're like a medium size. They're not as small as Travel, but they are smaller than a full-sized one. And they retail at £4 a piece, just under £4 a piece. Then we've got this. It's supposed to turn to jelly and you soak your feet in it, and then you put the other stuff in and it turns back to liquid so that you can get rid of the product. It's supposed to make your feet nice and soft. This is also another cruelty-free product. And then last but not least, we've got this really cute eyeshadow palette, which I'll take out to show you. There's the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to open that, which is so cute. It's only little. True Cosmetics Praline Palette. That's £15.55. Birch Box, which comes in its drawer. It's a really pretty package again. And let's move this out the way. Let's get the book out. Okay, so first of all, I've got a little mini lipstick, Douse Luscious Lip Stain. This is £21 for a full-sized one. Nice colour. Okay, next we've got another travel sized Ico. This is eyeliner. Excellent make. I use the mascara. This is Green Frog Botanic body wash. This is also cruelty free, and that is £8.95 for a full size bottle. And then we've got Caudalie, I don't know how to say that, makeup removing cleansing oil, which is £18 for a full size bottle. Last but not least, Native Unearthed Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm. Again, cruelty-free, and supposed to be a deodorant. £7.99. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm going to say that's half a jar is empty, at least half a jar. It literally comes up to about here. So that was our Glossy and our Birch Box. I mean, again, for me, Glossy Box has won. I don't know, guys. It's up to you.